Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Wombat Coleus. This Mac-specific keyboard offers functionality and style beyond Apple's offerings. Let's take a closer look. The Wombat Coleus breaks the mold with its compact design and keys that lay flush next to each other, reminiscent of Apple's Scissor Switch Magic Keyboard. However, a closer inspection reveals its unique features and premium build quality. The Coleus features a plastic base and an aluminum top, giving it a premium look and feel. The keys are raised, and underneath, you'll find red mechanical switches that provide a satisfying click when pressed. Despite its weight 0.8 kilograms, the Coleus remains highly portable and comes in a range of pastel colors, adding a refreshing touch of vibrancy. When it comes to typing, the Coleus offers a surprisingly comfortable and solid experience. The reduced size of the mechanical switches doesn't compromise the satisfaction of the button click. In fact, the Coleus is quieter than other mechanical keyboards, making it more considerate for others. The shorter key travel distance also results in fast response times. While the Coleus's compact design requires a certain thickness to accommodate the mechanical keys, it maintains a relatively flat profile, avoiding the need for kickstands. Although the slight angle might not be ideal ergonomically, Wombat has made efforts to mitigate this issue in the design. The Coleus has some notable features, including customizable RGB lighting that brings the keyboard to life at dusk and into the evening. It also offers dedicated Mac keys and shortcuts, surpassing Apple's own products. Additionally, a rotating dial in the top right-hand corner allows you to adjust volume or mute with ease. The Wombat Coleus is one of the more expensive mechanical keyboards on the market. While there are other high-quality options available at a lower price point, the Coleus stands out as a premium product with its compact design, authentic mechanical keyboard experience, and premium features. If you're a Mac user, the Wombat Coleus provides a solid and enjoyable typing experience. With its linear switches and customizable RGB lighting, it appeals to the gaming crowd. While its compact design and quieter yet clicky keys attract those who work on the go. Although it comes at a price, the Coleus delivers everything you'd expect and more, all while looking good. That wraps up our review of the Wombat Coleus mechanical keyboard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.